So this is the pumpkin snacking cake, and it is such a fun cake to make this time of year because it's so easy, it's so moist and plush, and it's impossible to mess up. This one bowl cake. So good. Hi, I'm Deb Perelman, cookbook author and the creator of Smitten Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make my pumpkin snacking cake. I love this cake around Thanksgiving, so you get all those flavors that you love in Thanksgiving desserts, but it's an easy one bowl cake and you don't have to wait till Thanksgiving to make it. I'm gonna start by preparing the pan. I use an 8-inch square pan, and I like to just lightly coat the bottom with some spray, and then I do 2 of the sides. And I do this because the spray helps this parchment paper stay in place in the pan, and then the parts on the side keep the rest of the cake from sticking. So the pan's all prepared, and I'm gonna show you how fast it is to make this cake. We're gonna start with some all-purpose flour, and we're gonna add some salt, baking soda, and we're gonna use a few spices here. We have cinnamon, ginger, and allspice. And we're gonna add some freshly grated nutmeg too, so you're gonna get all of those flavors you like in a pumpkin dessert. It's gonna smell amazing. I'm gonna whisk this all together, and that's it for your dry ingredients. From there, I'm gonna make a little well in the center, and here I'm gonna add some melted coconut oil, coconut milk, pumpkin puree, a little bit of vinegar, and this just helps the cake get a nice rise to it. And then we're gonna add some brown sugar, which is always the best flavor to go with pumpkin, and some white sugar. And we are gonna whisk this all together. This cake is egg-free and it's dairy optional, but I just created it that way because it makes for such an insanely moist, decadent cake. You won't even notice what it's missing. All right, so we just made the easiest cake batter in the world, and we're gonna put it in our prepared pan now to bake. Give it a little, make sure it's all settled in, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the pumpkin snacking cake is all cooled and from the oven, and I'm gonna make the frosting now. It's really quick. I'm gonna take some cream cheese and powdered sugar and some vanilla extract. And I'm gonna beat it all together until it's soft and fluffy. Now, this is a snacking cake. It's for snacking. It's not for fanciness. So we're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna make it really easy and rustic. We're gonna blob, that's the technical term, our frosting all over. And we'll swirl it out with a spoon. I'll show you how. All right, and we're gonna take that frosting, and I'm gonna use the back of a spoon and just make big ol' frosting swirls all over. And then for a final touch, I'm just gonna put in some cinnamon sugar all over. And it's all ready to go, and we're gonna cut it into big squares and have a snack right away.